Hey guys, so in this video we are going to do a double dip powder video by the Double Dip Company. It is the Christmas kit. So I'm showing you here. You can follow me on Instagram or TikTok. And also if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So here I am showing you the beautiful packaging that the kit comes with. Now, like I said, this one is called the Holly Jolly Christmas Kit. It comes with these beautiful starbursts in all different colors. These adorable Christmas stickers for the nails, of course. And then it comes with a beautiful black and pink double dip brush to wipe off the dip powder when you apply it to your nails, which I will show you how to do that. You get your file, you get extra brush tips, you get cuticle cleaners, orange wood sticks. Alright, you also can get a free gift, and I'm not sure what it is, but if you scan the code, it will let you know. Okay, so here are 4 bottles, and you have step 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or no, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1 is your brush cleaner. Number 2 is your base coat. Number 3 is your activator. And then number 4 is your top coat. And then you also get a dip powder kit instruction manual that tells you exactly how to do this kit if you are unfamiliar on using dip powders. Now you can use these as acrylic powders as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the colors. It comes with 6 beautiful colors, 2 of which are limited edition. This one is Coastal Cabana. They are all very beautiful Christmassy colors. Now I do give them a stir because it is recommended to stir them before you use them. Alright, this one is his Queen. This one is so pretty. So again, just make sure you give it a nice stir. You can use the orange wood stick to do that. Okay, here is Sleigh Bells. Now this one is a limited edition. And the limited edition dip powders are only available until the end of December. They will no longer sell these. So if you guys are going to get this dip powder kit, get it before December. And I do have a coupon code. It is BabyGirl10. Sorry guys, I missed the name on that one. But it's a beautiful gold color. And then we have this one. It's a silver, I believe. It's called Flying Butterfly. Another beautiful color. They're all very gorgeous. This one, no, it's the next one. The next one is also a limited edition, and it is called Love and Understanding. And now this one is a very chunky mix. I did not use this one. But it is very beautiful. And I'm sure it would look very pretty on the nails. Okay, so I'm going in with my brand new Extreme Square XXL by Enail Couture. You guys, these are amazing. They are already pre-etched, as you can see here. They are long, baby, long. Alright, so I already applied 2, and I'm going to show you how I apply the other ones. I'm just taking my Madam Glam Builder Gel in a bottle. You don't have to use Madam Glam. You can use any other Builder Gel or Press-On Gel or just whatever. I just decided to go for something different this time. So, as you can see me do here, I'm flash curing the gel. It only takes a second. Plop in the gel inside. Now you will see that I do go back in and add more gel because on this one and on the next one I don't have enough gel. But they do fit fantastic. Like, I had no problems. And I love the length. Love, love, love the length. So, also, I want to mention that this Christmas kit did launch yesterday, which was the 16th. And there is another kit that I will be doing a review on. It's called the Winter Weekend collection. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys are interested, I will be having a giveaway. So I want you to comment down below if you guys are interested in having doing a giveaway with some of these kits. I'm not sure if I'm doing one or two. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and buff the surface shine off of these nails. Now, you will see later on in the video, I should have buffed a little more, but I will show you what I'm talking about in a minute. Alright, so now I'm going in with my base coat after I have buffed the surface shine and I have dusted off the nails. I'm going in with a very thick coat of that because these are very long nails and I want to make sure that everything looks good. So I'm going in with a real nice thick coat of that base. Now, you can also use a gel base, which I think personally works best. But this kit worked fantastic. So you can either use the kit, the stuff that comes with the kit, or you can use a gel base and a gel top coat. So as you see me do, I'm just applying that powder all over the gel base. And then I'm just going to let it set and soak in. And I'm not going to brush it off just yet. I'm going to go ahead and do all 5 nails before we brush any of the excess off. Now, like I said, I do use 5 of the 6 colors. Now, another thing, guys, do not be afraid to get messy. Because it is very messy, but that powder will wipe right off. Just don't be afraid. Now I'm just taking the orange wood stick and cleaning up the cuticle area. And these little dishes I got from my friend Gina, they work freaking amazing. I love them. You can pour the dip powder right back into the jar. It just works great. Now, this is the one I was having issues with, and I think it's because I did not buff it. I did not buff the nail that good because I couldn't get the freaking glitter to stick. No matter how much gel, no matter how much base coat I laid, I don't know. It just wasn't working. I know it wasn't the powder, so it had to have been something I did. So, anyway, continuing on, adding the base and applying the color. Now, as you can see, there are spots when the glitter soaks into that base. It'll turn darker, and then that's where you want more powder. So just keep adding the powder until it's all soaked in. It's not going to hurt anything. And you'll see what I'm talking about with the red one here. Okay, so watch. I go in. I take my spoon. I go in. And you see how it starts down by the cuticle to turn like a darker red? That means you need more powder. So just keep adding more until there's no more like dark red spots. Okay, so after the first layer is done, I will now wipe off the nails and go in with a second coat of the base and a second coat of the powder. Now you can do another coat. You can do 3, 4, 5, whatever. But I thought 2 coats was plenty enough for these nails. And they actually looked fantastic when I got finished. So I did speed it up a little bit faster this time, but you can still see right there where that blue was coming through. So that means just add more dip powder. Now these are some stunning glitters, you guys. Just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm not a big dip person. You guys know that. I am really not a big dip person. So, I really enjoyed these though. Here we go again with the green one. I was just not having it. I was not, this one was just not working for me. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it's because I didn't buff the shine off the nail. Because I applied the base coat all over that nail. And the second time went a little better, but it still did not completely cover that nail. So I wipe everything off, making sure, you know, all that extra dust is gone. Alright, and then I go in with the activator, and this is what makes it hard, like acrylic. That way you can file it and buff and shape. Now these didn't need a whole lot of buffing and shaping and all that, so I just hand filed them. And I really didn't need a whole lot of hand filing either. They actually looked pretty good, considering I don't use dip powders. They did not look bad at all. So here I just file them up, you know, clean up the side walls, free edge. I had a little bit of the cuticle on the pinky that I had to clean up, but other than that, everything worked out great. And then after I do this, I do decide to go in with a gel top coat, only because it's quicker and I don't have to sit and wait for the top coat to dry, because the top coat that does come with the kit, you do have to let it dry on its own, and I just didn't want to wait. So I do show you the top coat that comes with the kit though, right here. That's the top coat, and I was going to use it, but then I was like, no, let's go ahead and use a gel top coat. So I take my McCart gel top coat, and I give that a nice top coat, nice and thick, and cap my free edge, which I did this completely backwards because I went in with the stickers afterwards and the gemstones, but you know what, it is what it is. So I do go ahead and flash cure, as you just saw me do, because I didn't want it to run it all into my cuticles and my side walls. So I do flash cure in between. I don't know why I didn't use my flashlight. Probably because these are so long. And I just figured the lamp would be quicker. See here again, the green one just did not cover all the way. Like I said, it's just, I don't know. I don't know what happened there. Alright, so I give it a full 60-second cure. And I'm going to go in with these AB rhinestones that were sent in one of my kits that I got. And I use my McCart glue gel to adhere the rhinestones. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it on the side. I'm going to go down the whole side of the nail with the rhinestones just to cover up that like sheer part that didn't cover that well. Kind of covers that, like hides it a little bit, like kind of masks it. You know what I'm saying? So I thought it did pretty good. And it looked pretty. Do a full 60-second cure, and now I'm going to add just a couple of the stickers. Now you can go back in and top coat these. I did not do that. I just, because I was going to pop these off anyway, I just went ahead and just left it alone, but you will want to top coat those. So I went in with this little snow, and I go in on the green nail because I want to hide again the other side that was kind of transparent. So I just put the little snowflake, and then I put the little Xmas on the one side, and then I go in here with the Merry Christmas, and that's it. That's the end. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like I said, I'm not a big dip powder person, but I really did enjoy doing these nails, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know what you think about them. If you are interested, again, go check out the Double Dip Company. Use my code. It's 10% off. And let me know what you think about a giveaway in the future with these. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.